Guys, we're throwing this on a TRX right here. It's a crazy system. It's gonna sound awesome. It's a Borla attack SwitchFire. Check out the details in this fabrication right here. Look at this. This really redirects the flow, giving it a deep tone, but not too much drone in the cabin. I like how this looks. Obviously, you won't be able to see it when it's underneath the truck, but it's more for utility rather than looks. Over here, we have the glossy black chrome Borla tip. Check that out. It also comes in classic polished chrome. I prefer this, but again, it depends on what type of color scheme you're going for with the entire truck. There's two of them. I just wanted to show you one. I'm going to show you the install and let you listen to the finished product. But let me know how it sounds, guys, in the comments. It does come with the instruction manual. You could be able to do this in, your driveway or at your house. Probably will be a little tedious, especially when you need to adjust stuff. You're on your back looking up, all that. But if you can, come through to the shop. We're in Davie, Florida. We also have another location in Oakland Park, Florida. gexhaust.com. You could purchase this system, or go to your local exhaust shop. If you're not from Florida, you can't make it. They shouldn't charge you too much money, and they'll do a job. Make sure it's right. Make sure you're watching them while they're doing it. Make sure they're not fucking you. You know what I mean? But this is a great system right here, guys. One of the top of the line systems for a TRX. Again, go to gexhaust.com. I'm going to show you how it's installed. Let's get it. TRX on the lift, guys. Let's go check out what Matt's doing. One of our master fabricators over here. We're taking apart the stock system. As you can see, a few nuts and bolts. This is the stock system right here. We got Matt doing his thing. We're going to be replacing that with the Borla SwitchFire system. It's going to sound great and give it a little bit of power, especially when you punch on the gas. Might even be a little bit more fuel efficient. A lot of you guys out there are like, oh, I switched up my exhaust and now I get way less per tank. And the reason why is because you're fucking ripping it all the time. It's common. I get an exhaust, I'm ripping it. You like to hear, you like to go out, do your thing. These are the stock tips right there. Again, the customer got those glossy black ones that I showed you earlier. They also have the polished chrome, guys, classic. You could go with that, but it depends on what type of color scheme you're going for the entire truck. I think the glossy black will look great with this. The chrome wouldn't look bad, but it's your preference. All right, guys, we're pretty much done with the entire build. Let's check it out. We have Berto putting on the final parts that he had to take off in order to install the system successfully. Check it out. Right here, all bolt on. This is where the SwitchFire comes through. All that engineering, all that exhaust flow is really going to set it off. Over here, these baffles, they're like 4 little mini pipes inside this large tube. I wish I got a shot of that. Unfortunately, I couldn't get it. But again, guys, this is one of the top of the line systems for this TRX right here. In the back, Borla black glossy tips. I think it really sets it off. That's a finished product. gexhaust.com has all these products. Go check it out right now. Let me know how it sounds in the comments, guys. And if you want to open up a franchise, a G-Exhaust franchise, just reach out to us and we'll send you a packet.